So my name is Patrick Given and I'm part of the Level 5 Intro to Woodland Skills and Rural Estate Maintenance course. So the Intro to Woodlands have started us off right from the basic. Obviously when you get into tree surgery you need to know which trees that you're cutting down. So tree identity is what we've been working on these past 5-6 weeks, and it's only recently that we've got our first project, which is to start building the tree nursery, and it's a challenge, but we expected a challenge, and you reap the rewards at the end of the day because you see the end product. You can go away with that intrinsic reward. One of my biggest things that attracted me to it was the ethical reasons behind it. You know, when people think of woodland skills and people chopping down trees, they think of the deforestation automatically. Tree surgeons and arborists in general aren't just getting into the deforestation, they're actually taking steps to replant trees and do a lot more to help the ecosystem. There's a lot of avenues. You can either go down landscaping or you can get into tree surgery. It's a great demand for tree surgeons and arborists right now. You can take this internationally, these qualifications internationally, so that's a good thing.